Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical butane fuel for the stove, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from butane fuel for stove, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best butane fuel for stove dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Gas 112 Butane Fuel Canisters for Portable Camping Stoves. Introducing Gas 112 Butane Fuel Canisters, the ultimate solution for your portable camping stove needs. Each canister comes new and sealed, offering convenience and reliability for outdoor cooking adventures. With the unique feature, these cartridges automatically reseal when removed from the stove, ensuring safety and efficiency. The notch collar design facilitates easier alignment to your stove, streamlining setup for hassle-free cooking experiences. Specifically crafted for use with butane backpack camping stoves, these fuel canisters are designed to meet your outdoor cooking demands. Made from durable alloy steel, they are built to withstand rugged outdoor conditions. Compact and lightweight, these canisters boast dimensions of 11L x 9W x 9H and weigh a mere 8 ounces, making them easy to transport on your camping trips. Trusted by thousands of satisfied customers, Gas 1 leads the way in camping replacement fuel, ranking as the #1 bestseller in sports and outdoors. Upgrade your camping experience with Gas 112 butane fuel canisters and elevate your outdoor cooking game. Number 2. Chef Master Butane Fuel Cylinders for Portable Stove. Elevate your outdoor culinary adventures with Chef Master 9340 butane fuel cylinders. Perfectly compatible with Chef Master butane stoves, these canisters ensure reliability in your camping kitchen. From creme brulee torches to portable gas stoves, they're versatile for any cooking need. With an 8 Oz capacity and 12-pack supply, Chef Master provides an ample fuel source for extended cooking sessions. Engineered for precision, the notched collar facilitates effortless alignment in various applications, optimizing fuel flow. Crafted with premium performance in mind, Chef Master's butane fuel cylinders guarantee unparalleled reliability. Equipped with a self-sealing nozzle, they prioritize safety, preventing leaks during storage and transportation. Whether you're heading to a camping site or outdoor event, trust Chef Master for secure and trustworthy portable butane gas. With approximately 2 hours of high heat burning and up to 4 hours at simmer, these cylinders are your essential companion for outdoor cooking endeavors. Number 3. LavoHome Butane Fuel Canisters for Portable Camping Stoves. Enhance your outdoor cooking experience with LavoHome Butane Fuel Canisters. These are lightweight and compact 8 Oz. Canisters offer a stronger fuel source than propane, perfect for camping stove owners. All listed for safety, they ensure your meals are cooked through wherever your adventures take you. Compatible with various camp stoves, each canister provides 2 to 8 hours of burn time, ideal for camp dinners and outdoor meals. With a gas nozzle that automatically reseals and a notched collar for easy alignment, they prioritize safety and convenience. LavoHome is committed to providing trusted brands and quality products you'll love for a long time. Whether you're hiking or on a long car ride, these canisters are the perfect companion for your outdoor culinary escapades. Trust LavoHome for reliable and safe camping essentials that elevate your outdoor cooking game. Number 4. Joe Chef Butane Fuel Canister Butane Gas for Camping Stove. Joe Chef Butane Fuel Canisters are your go-to solution for kitchen torch heads and camping stoves. Available in various pack sizes, each 8 Oz canister lasts through multiple cooking sessions, offering convenience wherever you cook. With a CRV safety feature, these canisters ensure pressure release, preventing explosions. The notched collar facilitates easy alignment and portable gas burners, getting your camping stove started in seconds. Manufactured to the highest standards, Joe Chef's premium butane creates intensely hot flames with no impurities, burning hot and clean, even in freezing temperatures. With safety and performance in mind, these butane canisters are the perfect companion for outdoor adventures or gourmet cooking in your kitchen. Trust Joe Chef for reliable and safe butane fuel that enhances your culinary experience. Number 5. 3F Butane Fuel Canister for Camping Stoves. Experience premium cooking performance with 3F butane fuel canisters designed for culinary torches, portable stoves, grills, and camping accessories. These 8 cans offer approximately 2 hours of continuous burn time, ensuring sufficient fuel for various cooking needs. Compatible with popular stove brands like Gasone and Chef Master, they feature a leak-resistant nozzle for safe use. The notched collar ensures proper alignment, enhancing gas distribution and safety during cooking. Crafted in South Korea under strict guidelines, our butane fuel guarantees clean and efficient burns. With a focus on quality and safety, each canister is meticulously packed and shipped to ensure reliability from start to finish. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with 3F butane fuel canisters, trusted by outdoor enthusiasts and culinary professionals alike. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.